Efficiency and reliability are paramount in the modern retail environment. To meet these demands, Shopify POS offers seamless hardware integration, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of point-of-sale hardware. From receipt printers and barcode scanners to cash drawers and card readers, Shopify POS accommodates various hardware devices, streamlining operations and enhancing the customer experience. In this video, we will delve into the significance and benefits of Shopify POS hardware integration, highlighting how it empowers retailers to optimize their point-of-sale processes, improve accuracy, and create a cohesive and efficient retail environment. Streamlining point-of-sale processes. Shopify POS hardware integration simplifies and streamlines point-of-sale processes for retailers. By ensuring compatibility with a diverse range of POS hardware devices, retailers can seamlessly connect their preferred devices to the Shopify POS system. For example, barcode scanners can be integrated, allowing for swift and accurate product scanning during checkout. This eliminates manual data entry and reduces the risk of human errors, ensuring efficient and accurate transaction processing. Receipt printers can also be seamlessly integrated into Shopify POS, enabling retailers to generate professional-looking receipts for customers in real time. This integration saves time and enhances the overall customer experience by providing immediate transaction documentation. Enhanced accuracy and efficiency. The integration of POS hardware devices within Shopify POS improves accuracy and operational efficiency. By connecting compatible devices, retailers can expedite transactions and eliminate manual tasks. Cash drawers can be integrated into Shopify POS, ensuring that cash transactions are securely managed and recorded. This integration eliminates the need for manual cash handling and reduces the risk of errors during cash management. Card readers can also be seamlessly integrated, enabling retailers to accept various payment methods securely and efficiently. By connecting compatible card readers, retailers can process credit and debit card payments seamlessly, improving transaction speed and providing a hassle-free payment experience for customers. Furthermore, Shopify POS hardware integration optimizes inventory management processes. By integrating barcode scanners, retailers can accurately and efficiently update inventory levels, track stock movements, and minimize errors associated with manual data entry. Versatile hardware options. Shopify POS hardware integration offers retailers a wide range of options, ensuring compatibility with diverse hardware devices. From industry-leading brands to affordable options, retailers can choose the hardware that best suits their business needs and budget. Retailers can select from a variety of receipt printers, barcode scanners, cash drawers, and card readers that seamlessly integrate with Shopify POS. This flexibility allows retailers to tailor their hardware setup to their specific requirements, whether they operate a small boutique or a large-scale retail operation. Integration and scalability. Shopify POS hardware integration seamlessly integrates with various hardware devices, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. Whether retailers choose hardware devices from Shopify's recommended list or select third-party options, Shopify POS provides comprehensive integration capabilities. Moreover, Shopify POS hardware integration is scalable, accommodating businesses of all sizes. Retailers can start with a basic hardware setup and expand as their business grows, seamlessly integrating additional devices as needed. Shopify POS hardware integration empowers retailers to streamline their point-of-sale processes, enhance accuracy, and optimize operational efficiency. By ensuring compatibility with a wide range of POS hardware devices, including receipt printers, barcode scanners, cash drawers, and card readers, Shopify POS enables retailers to create a cohesive and efficient retail environment. With seamless integration and scalability, Shopify POS hardware integration offers retailers the flexibility and reliability they need to drive customer satisfaction, streamline operations, and achieve retail success in today's competitive marketplace.